Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mir Books. Today we'll go through the book Selected Problems on Physics by S.P. Maniskov, T.N. Osanova. So we'll go through this book briefly. This help book is a collection of questions and problems in various branches of the material for entrance examinations to engineering colleges. It contains many interesting problems and questions which were set at various entrance examinations. Each section begins with a brief theoretical background. The most typical problems are supplied with solutions. The revised edition gives a new treatment to some of the problems. This book is intended for students of preparatory courses at engineering colleges. It will also be useful for students of intermediate and the degree colleges, and also for those interested in self-education. The late S.P. Maniskov was a senior lecturer at N.E. Bowman Higher Technical School in Moscow. T.N. Osanova is working as a senior lecturer at this same school. The book has seen 5 editions. So this book was actually published in 1990 first edition and translated by Natalia Wadhwa. So what are the contents? For content we have first introduction, then mathematical apparatus of physics, then we have mechanics. Chapter 1 is mechanics. So there are questions for revision. Okay, there is then chapter 2, molecular physics and thermodynamics, then electricity, then we have optics. Finally we have structure of atoms and atomic nuclei. So we have answers to problems on page 473. So preface. The main purpose of this book is to help those preparing for entrance examinations to engineering colleges in revising the high school physics course and in further studies at the college. So you can read if you're interested. So we'll go through the book. So mathematical basics for physics is here as the first chapter, then mechanics. So here initially there are problems and solutions. After that we have exercises. So here they have counted even for which have answers as questions. So here this one there are about up to 43, but there are so much of problems as this is a selected problems book. So you can see we are in page 81 and still on mechanics, page 100. So there are more than 150 exercises on mechanics. So let's go through. So hydro and aerostatics. So totally we have about 231 exercises, then question for revision. So then second chapter, molecular physics and thermodynamics. So you can see there are so many problems. Let's see how many problems are there. Almost 370 on it by the end of chapter 2. Then we come to electricity. About 411, not 411, still the chapter continues. So book looks pretty interesting. So many problems and interesting questions. That's the interesting problems. That's the more interesting part. So for electricity, by the end of electricity there are 557. So also there are questions for revision. So that's interesting. Now this is optics. So as you can see, questions are pretty interesting. So if you want the book, you can purchase the book on our eBay store. On Amazon also available. Yes. So as you can see, this book is in very good condition. So what are the books they have recommended? Also from Mir Publishers, NI Gold for Physics Problems and Questions. Then we have Element Textbook on Physics by Landsberg. Finally, aptitude test problems in physics. Okay. Now here is the contents. Already we saw that. So by end of the book about the publishers. So as you can see, this book is in beautiful condition. So this is the book Selected Problems on Physics. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.